Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Lifestyle Revolution, where we make AI simple, fun, and super useful, especially for those of us who didn't grow up coding computers with punch cards, but still want to stay ahead of the game. Today we're talking about something that's both mind-blowing and, let's be real, kind of confusing. Crypto and how AI can help you navigate it without feeling like you need a PhD in blockchainology. Seriously, ever tried to follow crypto news? It's like trying to assemble IKEA furniture without instructions, but AI is here to save the day. It's the Allen wrench you didn't know you needed. AI can predict the future of crypto. Well, almost. It's like your own personal weather app for Bitcoin, except it looks at numbers and data, not clouds. So instead of partly cloudy, you'll get mostly bullish with a chance of moon. And hey, AI might not be perfect, but it's still better than my investment strategy of picking coins based on which logos look coolest. Plus, AI is like a gossip queen for crypto, scanning Twitter, Reddit, and the news to figure out what everyone's saying. If the internet is losing its mind over Ethereum, AI will know about it before your phone buzzes with a dozen "sell now" texts from your group chat. Sit, good bot. Now buy low, sell high. Who's a good little trader? AI-powered trading bots are like having a robot employee who never sleeps, never gets emotional, and never panic sells at 2 a.m. because you had a nightmare that Dogecoin crashed. It's basically me, but with way better decision-making skills. AI doesn't just make money, it protects your money. It's like having a superhero bodyguard for your crypto wallet, making sure no one sneaks in to take your coins. AI can spot sketchy activity faster than you can say blockchain security. So hackers, consider yourselves warned. There's a new sheriff in town and it's powered by math. Scene 4. Spotting deals and arbitrage opportunities. Ever feel like you're running between stores trying to find the best deal? Well, AI does that in seconds. It's like finding out one exchange is selling Bitcoin at a discount while the other is buying at a premium. Cha-ching! You just made a profit without even leaving your couch. Scene 5. AI and DeFi and yield farming. Yield farming. It's like gardening, but instead of watering plants, AI helps you grow digital money. AI keeps track of DeFi platforms, searching for the best spots to earn interest on your crypto. And the best part? No dirty hands, no watering cans, just profit. Honestly, I wish real farming was this easy, but hey, at least my digital crops are growing. Scene 6. Customer support and personalized advice. So, AI, how many Bitcoins should I buy to become a millionaire by next Thursday? Fair enough, fair enough. But seriously, these AI chatbots are like having your own personal crypto assistant, always ready to answer your questions, give you advice, and help you recover your account if you forget your password. Again, it can even give you personalized advice based on your past trades, like, hey, maybe stop buying coins just because their logos are cool. A little AI tough love never hurt, right? Closing scene, call to action. Alright folks, that's the magic of AI in the crypto world. It helps you trade smarter, avoid scams, spot the best deals, and maybe even turn a little profit, all while you're binge watching your favorite shows. AI is basically the ultimate sidekick for your crypto adventures. Before you go, make sure to hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to subscribe to AI Lifestyle Revolution for more tips on using AI to level up your life. Also, drop a comment below. What crypto or AI topic do you want to see next? Let's tackle this tech revolution together. And hey, don't forget to ask AI which coin won't make you lose sleep next week. See you in the next video.